Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the 5 best drones for beginners in 2025. If you're new to the drone world, finding the right one can be tricky. So I've put together a list of drones that are beginner-friendly, packed with the best features, and perfect for capturing stunning footage. In this video, we'll explore key specs, unique features, and everything you should know before purchasing your first drone, whether you're searching for a 4K camera drone for beginners, an affordable GPS drone, or even the best lightweight drone for kids and adults. We've got you covered. And remember, all the product links are in the description for more details and pricing. Ready to take off? Let's go. 5. Rise Tech Tello, the budget-friendly drone. That does it all. Let's kick things off with the Rise Tech Tello, the perfect beginner drone for kids or anyone on a tight budget. Don't let the price fool you. This little drone packs a punch. With its 720p HD camera, the Tello delivers crisp video and photos that are ideal for casual flying. Plus, with 13 minutes of flight time, you'll have enough airtime to perfect your skills. But here's where it gets really cool. The Tello is compatible with Scratch programming, meaning you can learn to code while flying. This makes it an excellent choice for kids, students, or anyone looking for a fun, educational drone. And at just 80 grams, it's lightweight enough for indoor use, so no need to worry about taking it outdoors. If you've been searching for the best entry-level drone for kids and coding enthusiasts, this is the one to grab. 4. Potensic Atom SE. Small drone, big features. Coming in at number 4 is the Potensic Atom SE, a lightweight beginner drone for travel that punches well above its weight. At only 249 grams, this drone doesn't just fit in your bag. It's designed to go wherever you do. And if you're into photography, its 4K UHD camera with a 1 or 3-inch CMOS sensor delivers stunningly sharp images and smooth video. What sets the Atom SE apart is its GPS-assisted flight system. New pilots will love how the return-to-home function prevents you from losing your drone. And with a generous 31 minutes of flight time, you'll have plenty of time to experiment and capture amazing footage. Its wind resistance also makes it perfect for outdoor flying, even on breezy days. For those wanting the best beginner drone for travel photography, the Potensic Atom SE is an unbeatable choice. 3. Holy Stone HS720E, best value drone for beginners. You're on the hunt for the best affordable drone for beginner aerial photography. The Holy Stone HS720 takes the number 3 spot. This drone is a masterclass in value, offering premium features without breaking the bank. Its 4K EIS, electronic image stabilization, camera ensures ultra-smooth footage even when you're flying on a windy day, with 46 minutes of combined flight time. Thanks to its 2 included batteries, you'll have more than enough time to practice your skills and capture stunning footage. Plus, it's packed with intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Tap Fly, making it a top choice for beginners who want to feel like pros. Its GPS-enabled return to home ensures you never lose it, and the durable brushless motors mean it's built to last. This is one of the best budget-friendly drones with GPS and 4K cameras for anyone starting their drone journey. 2. AEL Robotics EO Nano Plus, a game-changer for aerial photography. Taking the number 2 spot is the AEL Robotics EO Nano Plus. And trust me, this is the drone that will elevate your aerial photography game, literally. With its 50MP RYYB sensor and 4K HDR video, this drone delivers vibrant, crystal-clear visuals that rival professional cameras. What makes it perfect for beginners is the 3-way obstacle avoidance system, ensuring a safe flying experience even if you're still getting the hang of the controls. And with 28 minutes of flight time, you'll have plenty of opportunities to experiment with creative shots. The EO Nano Plus isn't just one of the best drones for beginner content creators. It's a compact powerhouse that fits in the palm of your hand. If you're serious about creating stunning aerial content, this is the drone to beat. 1. DJI Mini 3, the ultimate beginner drone in 2025. Finally, claiming the number 1 spot is none other than the DJI Mini 3, the ultimate beginner drone for 2025. This drone has everything you need to get started: an easy-to-use interface, premium features, and unmatched reliability. It's also just 249 grams, so you won't need to deal with registration hassles in many countries. The 4K HDR camera with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures jaw-dropping footage, whether you're filming at sunrise or dusk. The 38-minute flight time gives you more airtime than almost any other drone in its category, and features like quick shot modes and GPS-enabled return to home make it incredibly user-friendly. If you've been dreaming of the best beginner drone, for stunning 4K footage, effortless controls, and advanced features, the DJI Mini 3 is hands down the best choice. And that wraps up our countdown of the 5 best drones for beginners in 2025. Whether you're a first-time flyer looking for something easy to handle, a budding photographer wanting stunning aerial shots, or just someone who loves gadgets, there's a drone on this list that's perfect for you. If you're ready to take flight, don't forget to check the links in the description for more details, current prices, and where to grab these amazing drones. And hey, which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more drone reviews and tech updates, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and until next time, get out there and explore the skies. Happy flying!